we'll just keep it at that. For question number 2, that is a trinomial. And a lot of times when trinomials, I want to look into a quadratic, but it's not a quadratic. It's a cubic. However, I can factor. Did I do that? No. Okay. So I'll set it equals 0 plus a 2x squared minus 6x. Well, I can factor out an x. And guess what? By factoring out the x, guess what happens now? 2x minus 6. Now I do have a quadratic, right? So we have x equals 0. So now I can apply the zero product property. So x equals 0. That's 1, 0. And then I have an x squared plus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. All right, so what two numbers multiply to give you 6, add to give you 2? Looks like I'm hitting a blank there. So I'm going to have to use the quadratic formula. So x equals a opposite of b, negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 2 squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. All right, so what do we get here? So we have a negative 2 plus or minus. That's going to be 4. That's going to be 24, so that'd be what? Square root of 28. All right, and then if I want to simplify the square root of 28, let's see, 4 is going to go into there 7 times. So I'd have a negative 2 plus or minus. Square root of 4 is 2. 7 divided by 2. Okay, and then so my final answer, that 2 will divide into both of those. That'd be negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 7. Okay, so I have x equals here and x equals 0. So I guess I can circle all those, and then these would be the two answers over here. So not really the most mathematical way to represent your answers, but I kind of cringe as I'm doing this, but that is what my space allowed.